Tillage is used for several purposes: to reduce weeds, to increase drainage, to shape soil for planting, and to incorporate soil amendments. Many different kinds of machinery are used to address these purposes. The most common of these are the moldboard plow, the disc plow, and the chisel. The disturbance of the soil caused by tillage can have negative impacts on the soil structure and organic matter, so some tillage equipment and techniques have been developed to address specific needs, yet have less negative impact on other soil characteristics. The moldboard plow has been used for purpose of weed control. It functions by cutting furrows in the soil and inverting them, flipping the lowest part up to the top and burying the top underneath. This technique is used to control weeds by burying both the weeds and the seeds are on the top of the soil. However, it does not remain useful for consecutive years, because reinverting the soil brings seed that was buried the previous year back to the surface. Disc plows are used to control weeds and break up soil to prepare it for bedding or for seeding. The discs are dragged through the ground, breaking up chunks of earth and weeds. Usually, a field must be disked multiple times, allowing time for decomposition of organic matter, in order to prepare the field to be worked by finer instruments, such as the roller or a bedder. A chisel plow can be used to break up compacted soil up to 20 inches below the soil surface. The chisel plow consists of deep, firm chisels mounted on a tractor trailer. It is an effective method of breaking a hard pan or a plow pan. However, continual tillage of any kind will encourage further plow pan formation, so even deep tillage may not be the long-term solution to compaction problems. One type of conservation tillage is spading. A spader is used as primary tillage, but is designed to improve soil drainage without reducing structure. The spader functions just as many individual spades driven into the ground and lifting large pieces of earth. This allows the structure of each piece to remain intact while improving drainage to the depth of the spades. This can be an effective primary tillage, though it does not prepare the soil for seeding like a secondary or tertiary type of tillage. Because of the negative impacts of tillage on soil structure and erosion, many growers have turned to no-till techniques. Often no-till is accompanied by an increase in herbicide usage, because tillage is the primary non-chemical means of controlling weeds. Also, the presence of residues from previous crops would hinder traditional automatic seeders, so no-till requires planters which have more effective cutting implements. There are many tools for tillage, according to the many needs that tillage addresses. It is important to consider the short-term and long-term impacts of each method before choosing one.